What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One Ahead of Smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11 and 11 Plus series. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the flash on and off for the camera on the iPhone 11. So if you're in a place where you shouldn't be taking a picture or you don't want the flash to be going on or off, this is how to do it for your photo and for a video. So we'll go ahead and start off by going into camera. From camera, you guys will see there's a little bit of an arrow. Go ahead and select that. And from here, that opens up this lower portion of the screen. So we can go ahead and select from here. It gives us a flash auto on or off. So if we select flash on, it'll automatically turn the flash on while taking a picture. If we go in here and turn flash off, no matter how dark it is, it will not turn the flash on. Just taking a little while for it to kind of focus on some light. So that is for that portion. And then if we were to go back in here and then just set it to auto, you know, if it's light, it won't take the flash. If it's dark, it'll then turn on the flash. And once again, it's trying to focus, so it turns that flash on. If we are in video mode, it is the same way. We'll go over here to video, and there is also the flash on or off over here. So just go ahead and select that. So this is going to be with your auto, and then this is going to be set to flash off for video. So if you wanted to record that way. So that is my quick tutorial on how to turn the flash on and off on the iPhone 11 and 11 series phones. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see other helpful tips and tricks, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.